I came to St. John's on September 12th, much to my protest. I came in because I had some severe chills, and I'm also diabetic, type 2. I called my best friend. She said that I was slurring, and I was like, no, I'm not slurring. I'm speaking normal, but apparently I was. She said she's going to call 911. Now, I do not like hospitals. My speech was slurred, but I didn't realize that it was slurred. And I also forgot when my friend was asking me to give her my address, I didn't remember where I was living. And that had me in a panic because I've been living at my address for over 8 years. It was a terrifying moment because it's not something that I ever experienced. And I was getting very emotional because so many things start to happen. You know, you start to think about, is this my last? And I don't mean to sound, to get a little morbid, but you never know. It was E. coli. And this caused the chills, the headaches. It was headaches upon headaches from the pits of hell. It was worse than a migraine. And I wasn't able to look at the phone. I lost my appetite as well. When I came into the hospital, that's where I noticed that things were a little bit different. I got a lot of smiles, a lot of reassurance, and this is in the emergency room. And everybody was really, really sweet. They put me in a room, and of course, I'm still feeling a little bit nervous. But this care was different. Even when I went in to do my CT scan, the doctor was a sweetheart. Very calm, very reassuring. Not something that you would get in an emergency room because everybody is always so flustered. Room 1109. I would not forget that room because that's where I received the best care, I would say, ever. There was this nurse when I was getting the chills and nobody knew what to do. And she came and she was hugging me and she was rubbing me and she put another blanket over me. And I was like, okay, in the midst of everything, you're kind of like, am I in, I felt like they really, really cared. Like this was love. Every single nurse that came in, every single nurse, they knew me. Hi, how are you doing? Hi, and it was like, I can't explain. It was just warmth. The nurse that came, that was hugging me and making sure that I was warm, she would come and look for me every day. Not my nurse, but she would come in. From the emergency room to room 1109 to the nurses, they all gave me love. They made sure that my rooms were clean. They made sure that I ate. If I wanted something extra, they would bring it, And when I was leaving, I said to Nurse Ashley, I said, oh my gosh, you all were so sweet and I just want to thank you so much. And she said, the energy that you give out is the energy that you receive in return. And that just sent me to the moon. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You gave me reassurance that, there are still good humans and there's still good doctors and nurses, and whatever it is that St. John's is doing, I don't want you all to stop.